In my relatively short credit card journey, I've managed to amass quite a respectable size of points across a couple airline, hotel, and credit card company, rewards programs and whatnot. I'm not gonna make this a long intro. Let's just get into the video and see the points. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Mike's Travels and Cents, where I go over points and travel strategies, and more importantly, how not to go broke while enjoying it all. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on future content like this. And if you found some value in this video, drop me a like to let me know. But with all that out of the way, let's get into the video. Now, I don't really have anything to say after that. Besides, let's just jump into the video. So first, we're gonna look at my membership rewards account, and I have currently 219,696 membership rewards at the time of the recording of this video. Now, I currently have 3 membership rewards earning credit cards, and those are all the Amex credit cards I have. I don't have any of the Hilton cards or Delta cards yet or anything. So I have 1 platinum card, and I have the business personal card. I have the gold personal card, and I have the business gold card. And I've already done a video on all the credit cards that I currently have, and it hasn't really changed. Yeah, it hasn't really changed since I did that video. So if you want to check that out, I'll make sure I have the card flash right about now, and it'll probably be the video that you can click on at the end of this video if you want to just wait till the end of the video to watch it. But anyway, some notes about how I got all these points. So I actually got 3 sign-up bonuses from those 3 cards, since I've never had any of those before. I got 75,000 from the platinum, and I got 75,000 from the business gold when they had an elevated offer. Basically, I can't remember exactly how many I got from my personal gold card. I think it was somewhere between 30 to 40,000 membership rewards points. I also do have 1 authorized user, and you can kind of see that in this screenshot. I do have 1 authorized user on my platinum card, so that's definitely helped me out. And I've gotten some payouts from Rakuten, and we're going to look at basically the total amount of points that I've gotten from Rakuten, but that all kind of goes into somewhat of the points you see right here. Moving on to Rakuten, and you can see that in total I've gotten 51,277 membership reward points deposited into my Amex account that you saw earlier. And so this is the total amount of points that I've gotten the entire time I've been using Rakuten. And mind you, I have this link to my American Express account, so I'm earning membership reward points instead of cash back, and I like it. Yeah, so I've pretty much gotten a small bonus just from using Rakuten to make some of the purchases that I would have already otherwise made. And so most of these have come from purchases, but I have also gotten some referrals. I did a video on Rakuten like very early into me starting this channel, so if you want to check that out, you can. I'm not gonna link it because the video is terrible, but it's still on my channel. But anyway, yeah, I like Rakuten. If you want to sign up for it, I'll have the referral link for it in the description of this video. So if you want to check that out and, buy anything that'll help out the channel / help me out. I don't know why we say help out the channel like we're not individuals or teams of people. But anyway, moving on to Chase, and I am currently sitting at 135,459 ultimate rewards as of the timing of this video. I have 2 Chase ultimate rewards earning cards. That's going to be the Sapphire Reserve and the Chase in Cash. I pretty much got the standard bonuses for both of those cards, which are 50,000 a piece, so that's 100,000 right there, and the rest is pretty much just come from spend. I don't have any referral links or anything floating out for a Chase. So yeah, that's all from blood, sweat, and tears and getting those points on those cards. Now, I do also have the United Club Infinite card, which I've made a dedicated video to, which I'll probably just have the card flashing right there. But left on that card, I have 77,990 United Mileage Plus miles. I did get the 100,000 point bonus that came with the initial launch of this card. And so yeah, that was 100,000. I did spend some points recently on a trip that I did very recently to Michigan, and yeah, that was cool. Moving on, and at the time of actually taking this screenshot, I had 69,933 Delta SkyMiles. I do not have any Delta cards. So the reason I have Delta SkyMiles, at least this many, is simply because I was originally moving those. I had originally moved those points over because I was going to get some flights for when me and my wife were supposed to be taking our trip to Japan, but that ultimately got canceled. So I got those SkyMiles refunded to me. But you know, once they've been transferred, you can't move them back to American Express or to Ultimate Rewards or whatever. So they were basically just stuck with Delta. But I have since spent those points on a trip to, that earlier trip. On the way back, me and my wife actually flew Delta One and got to try out that product. So another first class experience under my belt. And yeah, it was during COVID. It wasn't the best, but it was still a good experience. I'd also like to note that some of these points are from linking my Delta SkyMiles account to my Lyft account. So again, this is one of those like very early videos I made that I'd rather you not watch, so I'm not gonna have that card flash. But you can earn some Delta SkyMiles when you do ride Lyft if you link your Lyft account and your Delta SkyMiles account together. Next up, and we have Marriott, which I am currently sitting at 34,675 Marriott points, and this is from all organic stays, no links to anything or anything else. This is straight organic stays. Now, I did actually get a point earning boost with Marriott because I have the platinum card, so I have Marriott Gold status, so you earn a little bit more points from your stays, but that's pretty much it. I don't have any Marriott cards or anything. And for Marriott, we can take a look at Hilton, and you can see that I am sitting at a measly 1,493 Hilton points, and this is all from Lyft. Like, I have not stayed at Hilton really since I've really gotten into points and miles. So yeah, but 1,493 is respectable for me not having stayed at the property. So yeah, if you really want, you can link your Lyft account to Hilton and to Delta and be earning points with both of those programs. So yeah, I should have the links to those in the description below. If I don't, charge in my head, not my heart. Moving on. So in total, I am sitting at 539,246 points/miles across all of these accounts, and I will likely spend a lot of these points and credits, because they didn't even get into credits or anything, but I would likely spend a lot of this stuff when we do, and by we I mean me and my wife, eventually do get to take that trip to Japan, which I'm very, very much looking forward to. So this is definitely gonna dwindle. I really believe in spending your points because they're only good as the value you can get from them, and that's with all points and that's with all miles. And speaking of my wife, this doesn't factor in the points that she has in for her card. So she also has a platinum card, and she got that 80,000 point sign up bonus for the Sapphire Preferred that she has. And she definitely has over 100,000 membership reward points from her American Express Platinum card. And I'm going to be getting her the Freedom Flex card, which is going to be another 20,000 points. So really looking forward to that, and we're really building up our little cachet points, so when things start to open back up, we can get out there and shake a tail feather. Don't quote me. But that is where I'm gonna leave this video. So let me know what you think about the points that I have spread out over all these accounts. Do you think I'm missing something? Should I have linked some account to something else? Again, if you want to sign up for Rakuten, I'll have that in the link in the description of the video, so you can click on that. That's gonna be a referral link again. So if you don't want to support me, that's fine. You can go just type Rakuten into Google or something. I don't. Yeah. But yeah, I'll have that linked in the description of this video. So if you want to sign up for Rakuten, there it is. But as always, if you found some value in this video, drop me a like to let me know. And if you want to be sure to catch more content just like this in the future, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I do upload. And as always, the only thing more valuable than your points is your money. And the only thing more valuable than your money is your time. But until next time, peace.